What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, we do have another one on Apecoin, which is slowly starting to pump up in value. As you can see, over the last couple of days, since the 25th of March, it has been slowly and steadily been increasing in value. So what we're going to be looking at in today's video is when can it potentially hit a new all-time high. It's very close. As you can see, it's started to hit the $15 mark, and the highest has been towards $17.69. So it's not too far off, and I did mention in my previous video on Apecoin, which should have been yesterday, do expect an all-time high very soon. So that's what we're going to be looking at into today, and also looking at, is it still worth investing into it right now? Are you too late? Should you sell it? Should you buy it? So on and so on. And also giving you guys my prediction on this crypto over the next couple of hours, days, and potentially next couple of weeks as well. But we'll get into that very shortly. So as you can see, in the last 24 hours itself, it has managed to gain 9% in value, making it $15.21. So it's been quite good. It's been performing very well, and so has the whole crypto market as well, to be honest. As you can see, Bitcoin is nearly hitting the $50,000 mark, and everything is up today, including Apecoin. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, guys, for this giveaway, there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure to stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So in the last hour itself, we managed to gain just about 1%. Over the last day, 9%. Over the week, a huge 47%. As you can see, slow and steady increase, and that is exactly what we're looking for. And over the month, massive 1,400% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has just about gone up 4% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, but we can also see that the trading volume is nearly hitting the $1.5 billion mark, which is absolutely crazy. And from my predictions, it's just going to keep going. The trading volume is just going to keep going up and up, and hopefully hitting the $2 billion mark over the next couple of weeks. So let's get straight into the main part of the video, which is obviously we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now to do the technical analysis, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'll do that later on in the video. Let's start off with the price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what you guys are here for. Also, before I get into that, guys, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So yes, we are looking at the hourly chart. What I'm going to do is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly chart, and let's have a look if we can do the daily chart, because as I keep mentioning, there is not much historical data on this crypto. So as you can see, literally looks like a roller coaster, up down, and right now it is just about fluctuating around the $15 mark. And over the next couple of hours, the graph is telling us do expect very minimal dips in value. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are just about slanting towards a negative direction. They're not looking too steep, so nothing major is about to take place. No major drops or no major increases. It is likely to fluctuate at the current price range, just like what's been happening here. As you can see, it did drop in value and then picked back up. It's been a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome has been neutral, fluctuating around the $15 mark, and that is exactly what's likely to carry on over the next few hours. But do expect an overall minor dip in value, probably to about $15 or $14.90. It's not going to make a huge difference anyway. It's just the fact that the blue line and the orange line here are looking a little bit bearish. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? Now we're not looking bullish, we're not looking bearish. It's literally flat out going in a straight line. So again, nothing major is expected over the next few days. However, that doesn't mean it's going to literally just stick around the $15 mark over the next few days. Obviously, we are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but towards the end of the week, I am expecting it to potentially hit around $16 to $17 mark by the end of the week. However, because we don't have much historical data on this crypto, it's quite hard to do the long-term prediction, and that is why you guys have asked me to do daily updates on Apecoin, and that is why I'm basically doing that. Every single day I've been uploading on Apecoin since it got released about 2 weeks ago, and yeah, you guys seem to love it, so I seem to be making them. But yeah, over the next couple of days, do expect a very minimal increase in value over the next couple of days. Yes, it will dip, it will peak, as I mentioned, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, so we should see some positive outcome towards the end of the week. But again, I will keep you guys updated. Now moving on to the daily chart, I'm not expecting any MACD indicators. Let's have a look here. So there's no MACD indicators at all. As I said earlier, not much data on it, so we won't be able to do the next couple of weeks prediction. But what I will be doing is giving guys daily updates on this crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale on the hourly chart. As you can see, we are having it right now. So in my previous video, when I made a video on Apecoin, which was yesterday, it was fluctuating around this target here, and I did mention to you guys, once it does hit this level here, which is the $14.44, do expect it to go through a little breakout, which has taken place. It broke out and has hit the $15 mark, dropped back down to 14, and right now going back up to 15, and I'm expecting it to hit a new all-time high, hopefully by the start of next week, or by mid next week. We should be able to see a new all-time high heading towards the $20 mark by mid-April. And yeah, and also guys, as you can see, here, somewhere around here, yeah, so it did break out at this point, went up in value, dropped back down, went up again, and then it broke out. So that's why I'm expecting it to take place on Apecoin over the next couple of days as well. And also guys, if you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. You can get 50% off using discount code DEC10, making it $14.99 a month. And again, in this group chat, I'm going to be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. However, I'm not a short-term trader, so it's not going to be daily updates on what I'm buying and what I'm selling. I'm a long-term investor. So I buy when I see the opportunity to buy, and I sell when I see the opportunity to sell. So any questions, any queries, don't hesitate to contact me on Instagram using the link in the description box down below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So I've seen tons and tons of DMs saying, will Apecoin hit $30, $40, $50 over the next couple of weeks? Guys, the way it's going at the moment, it should be able to hit a new all-time high by mid-year. I'm not going to take it easy. I'm not going to say it's going to hit $50 in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever it is. It's going to take time. It's going to have to take its time as well. If it does hit $50 in the next 2 weeks, it looks a little bit sketchy, and it's very likely it's going to drop all the way back down to about $15 if it does hit that target. So we're going to have to take it slow and steady with Apecoin over the next couple of weeks and see how it goes. You have to remember, it's still a new coin, it's still very early stages in this crypto, and it's still a risky investment. So make sure to do your research and your own reading before you invest into this crypto, whether you're trying to do it short term or long term. You have to remember, it only got released around the 18th of March, which was just about 10 days ago, meaning it is still very, very new. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. A huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you guys, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. And yeah, on that note guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch you all in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.